After the outbreak of World War I, Canada, as a then colony of Britain, automatically joined the war. However, the Canadian military lacked weapons and equipment, especially light and heavy machine guns. In response, an ordinary engineer and blacksmith named Joseph Holt began to design a self-funded automatic rifle, or light machine gun, which became known as the Holt automatic rifle. At the beginning of World War I, the standard rifle of the Canadian military was the Ross rifle, known for its accuracy and power, with a muzzle velocity of over 900 meters per second. However, the rifle's main problem was its fragility, as it was prone to malfunctions in the mud-filled trenches and the bolt easily jammed. The rifle did not use a rotating bolt action, but a straight pull bolt action, which provided the possibility for future modifications into an automatic rifle. Holt's modification was similar to the method used to convert other rifles into machine guns at the time. He vented gas from the left side of the barrel, using it to drive the piston and complete the reciprocating action of the bolt, enabling automatic fire. This operating mode can be referred to as a long-stroke gas piston automatic mode. After the modification to automatic fire, the rifle encountered overheating issues, which Holt addressed by using a Lewis light machine gun's air-cooled shroud, allowing the airflow during firing to dissipate heat. This modification was proven effective on the Lewis machine gun and was also applicable to the Holt automatic rifle. In addition to the above modifications, due to the Ross rifle's susceptibility to mud and sand, Holt added a dust cover, increasing reliability and reducing malfunctions to a certain extent. The rifle was fed by a 25-round drum magazine, which was inserted in front of the trigger guard. However, the drum did not use an internal spring for feeding, but instead was actuated by the gun's recoil, driving a pawl mechanism. In the end, Holt's modified automatic rifle was quite successful, weighing 5.9 kilograms with a length of 119 centimeters, including a 63.5 centimeter barrel. It had a firing rate of 475 rounds per minute, making it a reliable automatic rifle and also suitable for use as a light machine gun, with performance that was not inferior during World War I. Moreover, it was cost-effective, as the modification of one rifle from the existing Ross rifle only required about $50 Canadian, while a Lewis light machine gun at the time cost over $1,000 Canadian. After spending over $30,000 Canadian to design the automatic rifle, Holt eagerly brought his creation to the military for testing, hoping to gain recognition. He had nearly exhausted his personal finances by that time. In 1916, Holt was hired by the Small Arms Testing Department, and his automatic rifle underwent testing at the end of the year. In the following year, after some minor modifications, it continued to undergo firing tests, firing a total of 11,000 rounds. Through a series of tests, the rifle was considered a reliable weapon that could withstand the muddy conditions of the trenches, as it did not require oiling or cleaning after firing 4,000 rounds, which made it even more reliable than the Lewis machine gun. The military officers responsible for overseeing the testing, as well as the soldiers who had used the rifle, highly praised it, acknowledging that the minor issues could easily be fixed during mass production. However, the lack of a semi-automatic firing mode was considered a major drawback. Despite the outstanding test results, the Holt automatic rifle did not enter into service smoothly. This was due to Holt's lack of connections, as he was just an ordinary engineer and blacksmith. The high-ranking officials had initially dismissed the rifle and remained indifferent, despite the test results. In the end, the Holt automatic rifle was never mass-produced or put into service, as it was defeated by corrupt bureaucratic institutions. Strictly speaking, the performance of the Holt automatic rifle during World War I was outstanding, making it suitable for deployment in infantry units. It could have been used as an automatic rifle or with additional structures as a light machine gun. Its failure to be formally adopted into service was indeed a regrettable outcome.